Hi students, welcome. Now we are discussing about in projection of plane topic as per the given problem. A hexagonal plate of side 20 mm is rest one of its side on HP and its sides inclined at 45 degree to the VP. The surface of the plate makes an angle 30 degree with the HP. Draw the front and top view of the plate. So, in this problem, the surface of the plate makes an angle 30 degree with the HP. So, first you consider the plane makes an angle HP case. After that, let's we go for inclined to VP because the side. So, in projection of plane topic, first the plane makes an angle, it is the first inclination. Then side makes an angle, it is the second inclination. Clear? So, first we go for, you draw XY reference, then you draw hexagonal plate. So, the surface makes an angle 30 degree inclined to HP means, okay, first you draw the top view. In the top view only the true hexagon shape is visible. Okay, so first you draw top view. At the same time, while tilting inclined to HP, the side is on HP. So, therefore, let us consider side because the hexagon we can able to draw these two, this is also hexagon and that one also, both are hexagon only. Okay, either first diagram or second diagram, which one is correct means, okay, in this problem the side resting on, while tilting the side is resting. It is same if you are consider the first diagram means while tilting the surface makes an angle inclined to HP means the corner is resting on HP, but in this problem the side is resting on HP. Therefore, we draw the hexagon in vertically. So, let us assume regular hexagon. So, this is the case, and now you draw the projection while tilting and one of its side is resting on HP. Therefore, before tilting the total plane is resting on it HP. Therefore, front view is completely lies on XY. Correct. So, let us assume this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Similarly, this is A dash comma F dash, B dash comma E dash, C dash comma D dash. Okay, right? This one. So, this is the front view before inclined to HP. First front view, top view first, then front view. After that, the surface makes an angle 30 degree to HP. So, you draw 30 degree line inclined HP, same size, first diagram, second diagram, third diagram. So, A to C, that is AF to CD, how much distance is the same distance, you mark it here, clear. So, this is A dash, middle one, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. After that, you draw the projection lines towards top, here, here, here. Similarly, from first diagram, E projection, E versus E, F and D projection, this is F, this is D, A and C point projection, this is A, this is C, and B point projection, B versus B, this is B. Clear? So, A, B, C, D, E, F. So, you join all the points, we get A, B, C, D, 6 sides polygon. but after inclined to HP, the top view is not regular polygon, okay, but it having 6 sides. So first diagram, second diagram, third diagram and fourth diagram. So now we go for, so in this case, which side is resting on HP? The side AF is nothing but FA side is resting on HP. Once again you go through the problem. A hexagonal plate of side 20 mm is rest one of its side on HP and its side inclined 45 degree to VP. So which side is resting on HP? Same side 45 degree inclined to VP. Therefore AF side is resting on HP. Here AF side is in your top view is perpendicular to VP, but we need the AF side comes 45 degree inclined to VP. Understand? So this AF line after inclined HP, this AF line now it's 45 degree inclined to VP, this one. So you draw from XY 45 degree line, clear, 45 degree line. You select some distance anywhere without cross over that XY reference anywhere, for example this. So this F point I am consider here F. So F to A how much distance? Definitely 20. F to A is 20. Then this line, these lines are parallel, these are parallel. So how much distance is there? You measure it. Here to here how much is there? Same distance here to here also. So same, all the now vertical lines is comes to 45 degree incline. Okay, so this distance is equal to here. Understand? Like similar case, you draw perpendicular, clear. Then this is the perpendicular line. Next from here to here how much? So many methods are there. It is a grid formation or otherwise by arc method, whatever method you feel easy you follow it. Okay, so now from here to here B, so here to here B, same distance from here to here E. So therefore A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the F, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is first diagram. This is second diagram. Second and third both are same shape and size, only angle is. Next we get fourth one. Now fourth and fifth both are same shape and size like second and third. Okay, fifth diagram. So exact. So only that A, B, C, D, E, F, that edge only made it by H pencil dark. Clear? Then finally you draw the projection lines from fifth diagram. So all A, B, C, D like this. So from E, A, F, A, B, C, like projection lines, vertical line. Similarly C comma D, where the C and D, so this is C versus C, C dash, and same D versus D, this is D dash. Next B and E, where is B? So B versus B, so this is B dash, and same E, this is E, E dash. Next A comma F, where is A versus A dash, F versus F dash. Now you join all A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So this one. So A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, this one. Clear? So whether you cross check it, our answer is correct or wrong. So what the conditions? When one of its side is resting on HP, initially we consider A, F to A side. So f dash a dash, final answer, f dash a side a dash is resting on xy, is nothing but resting on HP. First over. Next one is, and its same side, that is same FA side is inclined 45 degree to VP. So same 45 degree to VP. So now our solution is correct. Clear? Thank you.